Welcome to SyncroSim Cloud. In this video, you'll learn the basics of using SyncroSim Cloud to explore SyncroSim libraries online. You can start exploring existing SyncroSim libraries by navigating to the Explore page. On the Explore page, you will find a list of all of the public SyncroSim libraries published by the community. Let's look at this featured library in more detail. A library has a name, an author, which may have an affiliation, and a description. Each library is associated with the SyncroSim package that was used to build the library. The package is highlighted in the library thumbnail and listed in the metadata. Once you create an account and are logged in, you will have access to your own personal My Libraries page. In this demo account, you can see I have 3 libraries. A private library that has been shared with me for viewing and download access, a public library I own, and a private library I own. Once you have a library you want to view, either from your personal My Libraries page or from the public Explore page, click it to open it in the library viewer. For this video, I'll navigate back to the Explore page and open one of the featured libraries. In the library viewer, you can interact with the library through the control panel on the left. Choose the visualization to display in the Maps and Charts section. Select alternative forecasting scenarios to compare from the scenario section. To obtain information about each scenario, hover over the information icon. For charts, you can compare multiple scenarios at once. For maps, toggle between scenarios. To explore the time series for a given selected map, use the slider in the Time Steps section. Above the visualization area, where the maps and charts are displayed, is a toolbar. From the toolbar, you can generate a shareable link for the library by clicking on the share icon, or download it to open the library locally on your computer using the SyncroSim desktop software. For more information, watch our video on how to download, customize, and upload your own library to SyncroSim Cloud. Thanks for watching.